Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to play Brookhaven, and if you want to find how to get a play button, then hit the like, subscribe, and notifications bell. Good, let's start. So first you want to go to a house. I'm going to this house. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be spelled like that. Wait, who's a policeman? Oh, the fire truck's here. This is the new update. The other update makes the trucks more realistic. Look, take a look. This is how the fire truck looks. Now the ambulance looks like that. Oops, I spot a truck and that's okay. I can drive this truck. It's more faster. So you can go to any house number. I'll go to house 20 right here. Okay, so where's the house? There's the house here. So you would want to click on a house. I'll just find it. Where is that? Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Then go to my profile picture of probably a yellow tea. I forgot what it is. Yeah, it's a yellow tea. Because I deleted my screen record. Now we got this house. Go get this house at the very top. Click on yes. And it only has the gold and silver play button. But I was thinking when I have a computer, then I'll go with Roblox Studio to get. I probably kind of already know how to use it. I already know how to use the computer. And before we see it, can I see it? Hit the subscribe button, like on my profile picture, and hit the bell for more notifications. And wait a minute, are these cactuses? Wait, I think I know why cactuses are inside, because in January they die. That's why it's. So here are the play buttons. First up, we have the silver play button. Oh yeah, also somebody delivered me a play button when I didn't know what play button was in the game. And I didn't know this house. Somebody ordered me one. But I think it's the gold play button. Or the silver one, I forgot. But I think it's more the gold one. I didn't even reach 1 million subscribers. Here's the silver play button. So good. Celebration subscriber. Make more subscribers. Let's see the gold play button. Right here. Beside my desk. Look at this gold play button. So bright. And I would say it's bigger than. Why is it not bigger? Why is the silver play button bigger than the gold one? The gold one's supposed to be bigger. I don't know which one's bigger. You guys commented down below. The silver play button or the gold play button. And there's no diamond play button, but I was thinking if I have Roblox Studio, then I could find it. And here we are. Bathroom. And there's more secrets around Brookhaven. I think you might know the secret. And this guy's video says it's copy. It's a copy of Brookhaven. It's the old copy version, and it has it, I think, but the play buttons, including normal Brookhaven, so you can find the play buttons in normal. What are you doing? We're not allowed to treat homeless people, but oh, okay, I'll treat. No, not like this. Who wants me? You need this? You're gonna be rich. Here's your gold pay button. When you reach 1,000 subscribers, you can get a money from your. I'm gonna have something even better than that. Okay, let's get these and these. Okay, let's go to inventory / laptop. You're definitely gonna be rich with this. Give. Okay, I have to press give. Nope. Okay, you don't need it. Who wants me to be a monster in this game and feel like I was killing people? That would be in this game. Wait, you can't. Oh yeah. The birthday party room. There's a secret here. Let's see this secret. I kind of forgot about it. I have another secret. I found this new secret that almost no Roblox players know about this Brookhaven. And I watched it. So, I think you go to the library, right? So, let's go to the library. I'll meet you there, guys. Room. What is that? Okay, guys, we're here. I didn't know where the library is. The library. Wait, in the middle it's the 27th letter of the alphabet. What is this? Okay, let's go through here. Okay, we have to go up somewhere. We have to find a book. Here's a secret, another secret. Where's this book? It's supposed to be, there's a secret red book. I think here, somewhere here. Come on. Okay, forget about that secret. I guess we should go. I feel like school is actually, the school in Brookhaven school is like, kind of like realer than all the other buildings. Is there anything that I can buy with my Robux? I have premium. Let's see. Let's see how much these cost. Oh, this. I can't even buy that. I don't think I can buy any, but I want to see. Oh, I was so close to getting that. I almost had enough for that one. The horse. Paint. Pack. Bro, that's so much. How much does the penthouse cost? Oh yeah, I forgot I already have that penthouse. Wait, I think I have this one, right? Oh, I don't have it, but I can get it. It's 30 Robux, and I only have one Robux left. Should I buy it? Comment down below right now. Wait, what is this? Vehicle upgrade? I guess I can vehicle upgrade. Okay, I'm gonna buy it in 3. Sorry, comments. You can't get it. But I guess I'll have one Robux left. I'll trade it and please donate. I guess 3, 2, 1, I'll buy it. I just wasted 30 Robux. Okay, I'll put that on the chat. Robux. Now I have 1 Robux. There. I just bought vehicle upgrade for 30 roll 30. Okay. Mm, 2024. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Shh. 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 Wait, does that sound like put your...